Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Coffee Time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Neo. Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here.
If this is your first time, please do one easy thing right now. Press the red subscribe button and the little bell. It is free and helps us make more videos for you every day. Thank you so much.
Yes, we post a new easy video every day. Please come back tomorrow.
Today, we talk about our morning routine with only simple words. We will speak slowly and repeat many times so beginners can understand everything. Ready? Let's go. Neo, what time do you wake up on normal days?
My alarm is at 7 o'clock, but I press snooze many times. I really get up at 7:40 or 7:45.
Same. I put 4 alarms, 6:30, 6:45, 7 o'clock, 7:15. The last one always wins.
Do you like mornings?
No, I don't. I am very slow in the morning. I want to be fast, but it is hard.
I am a night person. I like to sleep late. Mornings are difficult for me.
When your alarm rings, what do you say?
I say, no, please, 5 more minutes.
Me too. 5 more minutes is a dangerous sentence. 5 minutes becomes 10, 20, 30 minutes.
First thing when you open your eyes,
I take my phone. I check messages and Instagram. It is a bad habit, but I do it every day.
same here. Phone first, then I go to the bathroom.
Let's play the alarm game again. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.
No, stop, snooze, please.
Good morning. It is 7:30. Time to wake up.
Okay, I am awake. Maybe tomorrow.
After the bathroom, what do you do?
I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. I cannot talk before coffee.
Coffee is very important. I drink coffee with milk. Sometimes I drink tea with milk.
Do you make breakfast every day?
Yes. Simple breakfast. I eat bread with butter and jam, or cereal with milk.
I eat toast with peanut butter. Or just a banana and coffee.
Do you exercise in the morning?
No, never. I am too sleepy.
I want to run in the morning. I have nice shoes, but I only run in my dreams.
How do you choose clothes?
I choose my clothes the night before. In the morning, my brain is slow.
I always wear the same. Jeans and t-shirt. Very easy.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, cold water. Brrr. But it helps.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, every morning. Do you put on makeup, Emma?
A little. Only mascara and lip balm. 5 minutes maximum. Let's make a slow morning story together. I wake up at 7:30.
I turn off the alarm.
I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face with cold water.
I brush my teeth.
I make coffee with milk.
I eat toast with jam.
I put on jeans and a sweater.
I take my phone, keys, and bag.
I say bye and go to work or school.
perfect day. Now, weekend mornings, very different.
No alarm on Saturday and Sunday.
I wake up at 10 or 11, sometimes 12.
I stay in bed and look at my phone for 1 hour.
Then I make big breakfast. Eggs, pancakes, fruit.
I drink 2 cups of coffee slowly. Useful, easy sentences. Let's repeat together slowly. Good morning. Time to wake up. I am sleepy. 5 more minutes, please. I need coffee. I am hungry. Have a nice day. See you later.
Let's play again. This time, weekend morning. Good morning, son.
No school today.
Do you want pancakes?
Yes, please, with syrup.
Coffee is ready.
Thank you. Weekend is the best.
More easy morning words. Alarm,
Snooze.
bed,
Bathroom.
kitchen,
Coffee or tea.
breakfast,
Clothes.
phone,
Keys.
bag.
Buy.
What do you say to your family in the morning?
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Dad.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, thank you.
When you are late, what do you say?
Sorry, I am late. The bus was slow. My alarm didn't ring.
One more full story. My perfect morning. Wake up at 6:30.
Drink water.
Run for 20 minutes.
Take a shower.
Eat eggs and fruit.
Put on nice clothes.
Go to work happy.
But real morning is snooze, phone, coffee, run.
Homework for everyone. Please write in the comments. We read all. What time do you wake up? Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? What do you eat for breakfast?
We will answer many comments, promise.
Thank you for watching our long and easy video today.
If you liked it, please press like, write a comment, and subscribe. Press the bell too.
New easy English video tomorrow, same time.
Bye-bye, friends. Have a beautiful morning.